west. I'd see a man, facial hair to his chest. Don't be worried, just treat him right. He will sit by the fire and talk all night. He may ask you if you need some water to drink. Pay close attention, it might change the way that you think. If you go to this mountain, it's a comfortable place. It sure is better than the city rat race. It's a wonderful place to go and holler. Just be careful if you're drinking his mountain water. He's a simple man with a heart of gold inside. He loves his family and he loves the life that he chose. He uses his tractor to batten the land that he owns. There are YouTube live streams on his telephone.
Hey y'all, I don't know if any of you all have noticed on my channel page, you got a PayPal link on there now, and I'm also putting PayPal in the descriptions. I don't need your money. I won't turn down your money, but I don't need it. However, the biggest deal for me to do it was there's some of the people on my channel that don't like e-beggars, and I like to piss people off. So I decided to be an e-beggar. I'm telling you right now, folks, I don't need your money. I don't need you to send the money. I will tell you if you do send me money what I'm going to spend it on, or hope to spend it on. This tractor right here behind me. I'd like to get a postal logger to go in the back, a box blade to go on the back, and a mower deck to go underneath it. Now the mower deck's about $1,500. I'm not sure. I believe the box blade, the 4-foot box blade, is about $400 or $500 if I remember right. And I'm guessing that the postal logger is going to be $600, and then you got to get the bits for it and stuff. I don't know. I'm just throwing out some numbers. So if you do decide to donate PayPal money to me, great. That's where the money's going to go to. Saving my YouTube money and the PayPal money up for that. So consider this my e-begging video. I will be putting this video up some more on other stuff too, you know, throughout. To do. If you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, and maybe even share a video or two of mine. If the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye!